there, thanks for logging on. I'm Trey. Don't forget you can skip around to any story in the chapters below in the description of this video. Now today we're talking the District Advisory Committee. They had a meeting last night and we're talking to students from Thompson Elementary. Plus more on my ride along with the superintendent and an important reminder for families and community members on ways that you can connect with us. Now let's get into it. It is Wednesday, October 8th. Well, last night, the District Advisory Committee, or DAC, held their second meeting of the school year. This group is made up of parents, teachers, staff, and community members, and together they help guide the district's goals by giving feedback to the superintendent and the board. Last night, the committee gave feedback and asked questions about the district's improvement plan for this school year, everything from curriculum to communications, teacher pay for performance, family engagement, and much more. The next meeting is set for November 4th. Our campus close-up this week is focusing on Thompson Elementary, a school that is on the rise. Located on Houston's south side, Thompson is full of good energy and you can feel it as soon as you walk in. The school is seeing real academic gains and the connection between students and teachers is strong. Leaders at Thompson say it's all about keeping the momentum going, supporting students in every way, and backing up teachers so they can do the same. I caught up with two fifth graders in the hallway for a quick Q&A, and we talked favorite subjects, what they love about their school, and what they'll miss the most since this is their last year at Thompson. That story is up right now on YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram. And there's more coming up tomorrow. I sat down with Thompson's current leadership team, Principal Moore and Assistant Principal Gary. They also connected me with the former principal, Miss White. They wanted to make sure credit was given where it's due because Miss White was part of the team that helped lead the school to improvement. You'll hear from all three of them in tomorrow's story. So be on the lookout for that and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss it. And as we release each story, we're adding them to this dedicated Thompson Elementary playlist on YouTube so they're easy to find. Now to a district-wide look. Yesterday, I rode along with Superintendent Miles for the first time since spring. Now, since then, the district has seen major accountability gains and a strong start to the school year. But as Superintendent Miles told me, there's still work to do, and it all ties into the Houston Promise. Not just a slogan, but a real goal to get every HISD school rated an A or B by 2027. We're focused on the C and D rated schools, as well as, I just said, across the district, but we're putting a little bit more emphasis on those C and D rated schools to support them so that they can get to an A or B. We talked about the ratings, what they mean, and how ongoing campus visits are part of the push to support schools that need the most help. My full conversation with the superintendent is up on YouTube. And a reminder, tomorrow is our board meeting at Hattie May. It starts at 5 p.m. and Chief of Schools Sandy Massey will be recognizing our Educators of the Year and much more. We'll have a recap tomorrow on HISD Now. And before we go, parents, families, and community members, don't forget there's plenty of easy ways to get in touch and stay connected with HISD. On our website at houstonisd.org, right at the top, you'll see a Contact HISD link. Click it and you'll find quick access buttons to help you reach exactly who you need. Whether it's questions about after-school programs, enrollment, course changes, connecting with our Families Connection Center, and much more, it's all right here in this easy-to-use page. And don't forget, you can stay connected with HISD Now by hitting that subscribe button on YouTube. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you back here tomorrow.